how to turn off notifications on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off notifications on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and then just click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings and then just scroll down until you find sites and downloads, and here you will find this one, notifications. Click on it and click these three lines here and click this one, notification settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.